Hello, I want now to share with you how we link the withdrawal address from OEX app to Satoshi app. That's practical. You follow, you see how I do it. That's practical. It is easy. When you follow me, you will see it is very easy. You will see how to link it. We first go to this app, which is OEX app. Then we touch it. When we touch it, we come to the home of OEX app. Once there, we touch here, and the address is here. The address is this one here. The address we look for is this one. This is the address we are looking for. So to copy it, we come here, we touch just here. You see this icon. This is the icon for copying something. So then we come and copy it. We just touch. It is copied now. When it is copied, then we leave this app and we go to Satoshi app, where we are going to link this address that we are copying from OEX app. I think you know the Satoshi app. It is here. I show you, I told you it's practical. Then you touch this Satoshi app. When you touch, you see we are on home of this app, and there is a wallet. We are going to touch this wallet from this Satoshi app, and the wallet I'm telling you is this. What we have to do is as simple as just touching it. We touch the wallet and it is open. You see, these are my assets, but the asset I want now is OEX, which is here. The OEX, you see. Then what I want now is to link the address I copied from OEX to this one here. So what I do now is to touch this OEX, this asset. When I touch, you see, they give me where I can link. Where I can link is here. This is where I can link, where I have to link my address that I copied from OEX app. Then what I do is to touch here. When you touch, they give you the place to paste the link we copied from OEX app. And the second place to put our asset password. It means in order for you to link successfully your address, you have to have created the asset password. If you didn't create it, you have to create it now. And there is a video which show you how you create a password. I've made it. You can look at it from the description. I'm going to put the link and you will see how you create the asset password. For me, I have it already, so I'm going to paste my link and then put the asset password, and then I link it. Now I touch here. Here I told you it's practical, so then you follow, you see. I touch here, and you see it is displayed paste. Then I touch paste. My link is already there. Now it is the time to put my asset password. Let me post my asset password and then link. After putting my password, my asset password, I touch just here. OEX link withdraw address. When I pass, I click here. They ask me to confirm, and then I click on confirm. Click on confirm. They tell me, if you do not receive the email, please check whether the email is in the trash spam folder. It means they've sent a message that I have to check, and they give me 60 seconds. Let me check. I pass the code they sent. Then I confirm. Then I put my password. After putting my asset password, I click link withdraw. They ask me to confirm. I click here on confirm. Now it is the time then for verification. So let me tell you that we have to, while we are submitting our address, we have to do it when we are on place which has light, because you see there is a verification where they have to verify our face. So now I'm going to start my verification. They are verifying me now, and I have to follow the instructions. So there are some instructions they are giving me. I put my face in their camera, and then they give me instructions. I follow them. After that, I follow with other steps, and then I link my address. Yeah, that is what we have to do. That is what we will do. We follow their instructions, and then they confirm us, and we submit our link, and they accept it. It is very easy. Okay, after that you touch then link, and you see that they are telling me my OEX withdraw address link is successful. So I finished it to link my address. Then you can follow these steps and link yours. Thank you. See you in next video.